The Penny is super unique because we are one of the smallest dairy manufacturing plants in the United States. So what that means is we're able to get in all of our ingredients raw. We pasteurize all of our own bases. We're able to source all of our fruits and vegetables and herbs and flowers from our local farms. And really what's unique is that they're coming to me saying, I have this, and this is what's at its peak season. We're able to really dial in what we're doing with each batch that we make. So it's truly artisanal, and we know where every single ingredient comes from. People are adventurous when they eat ice cream. I can do things like green strawberry sorbet like we get from Joe at Dirty Girl Produce, or candy cap mushroom, which is foraged locally. It's just fun, whimsical, keeps my brain going and my other cooks inspired to come up with new combinations based on the seasons and things that are flowing here. You know, when I first came to Santa Cruz, I didn't understand actually what this region had available. But as I've lived here longer and longer, really, I understand the bounty that is here. It's pretty incredible.